Hi students, exercise 1.2, question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4 from chapter number 1 of your NCERT textbook. Before discussing the questions, we should revise these points. LCM is the product of the greatest power of each prime factor. HCF is the product of smallest power of each common prime factor. For any two positive integers a and b, HCF of AB into LCM of AB is equal to A into B. Okay, so for LCM, we are considering each and every prime factors and we are taking the greatest power of that prime factors. For HCF, we are considering only the common prime factors and we are taking the smallest power of each common prime factor. And this is the relation between the LCM and HCF of two numbers. If we are finding LCM and HCF for more than two numbers, this formula is not applicable. HCF of AB into LCM of AB is equal to A into B. Now we can discuss the questions. This is the second question of exercise 1.2. Find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. Okay, so we have to find out the LCM and HCF separately and we should verify this with the formula LCM and HCF of these numbers products is equal to product of the two numbers. So first we are taking 26 and 91. We can find the LCM first. LCM of 26 and 91. So 26 by 2 is 13. 13 as a prime number, it will go in the number itself and 1. So 26 we can write it as 2 into 13. 91. 91, it will go in 7 first and 13. Okay, so 7 into 13. This is the prime factorization for 91. And now for the LCM, we have to consider each prime factors. 2 is there, 7 is there, 13 is there. So first I consider 2, then 7. Any order we can take, okay. And 13, it repeats 2 times. So the greatest power, smallest power, we cannot consider here. The power is same only for both. So that power we take. 2 times don't take. If the any time it happens common, the greatest power only you have to choose. So 2 into 7 into 13 is 182. This is the LCM. Okay. And for HCF, you have to consider the same factors only and you have to consider the common factors and smallest power of common factors. What is the common factor here? 2 and 7, it's not repeating. 13 only it repeats. So 13 we have to choose. The smallest power is equal only in both cases. So the common power we are taking, it is 13. Okay, so LCM we got like 182 and HCF was 13. Now we should verify this with the formula. What is the formula? HCF of AB into LCM of AB is equal to A into B. 182 into 13. Okay, 182 into 13 will get as 2366. And now you have to find 26. Product of the two numbers means 26 into 91. After calculation, you will get 2366 only. So, verified. Okay. Next question is 5, 10 and 92. First, we will find the LCM of 5, 10 and 92. So, we can use the ladder method to find the prime factors. 510 divided by 2 is 255. 255 will go in 3 and it is 85. 85 by 5 is 17. 17 is the prime number, so it will go in the number itself and 1. So we can write the prime factors as 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. Then consider 92. 92 by 2 is 46. 46 by 2 is 23. Okay, so we can write 23 is a prime number and it will go in the number itself and 1. Okay, so 92 we can write as 2 times. So 2 square into 23. And for LCM, consider each and every prime factors. First, I am considering 2. And for 2, what is the greatest power? That is 2 square. So we selected 2 square first. And the next prime factors are 3, then 5, then 17 and 23. So LCM of these numbers are 23,460. Okay. Now we can find the HCF. HCF of 510 and 92. Okay. So 510 again we can write as 2 into 3 into 5 into 17 and 92 is 2 square into 23. For HCF we have to consider the common prime factors only. The only common prime factor is 2 only and consider the smallest power of the common prime factor, that is 2. Now we should verify this in the formula. LCM of AB into HCF of AB is equal to A into B. Okay. So LCM of AB is 23,460 and HCF of AB is 2. Okay. This we will get as 46,920. Okay. And what is A into B? A into B is 510 into 92. That is also equal to 46,920. So it is verified. Next numbers are 336 and 54. So we can find the LCM for 336 and 54 first. 336 divided by 2 is 168. 168 by 2 is 84. 84 by 2 is 42. 42 by 2 is 21. 21 it will go in 3. It's 7. 7 is a prime factor. It will go in 7 and 1. Okay, so 336 we can write as 2 raised to 4 into 3 into 7. Then 54. 54 by 2 is 27. 27 by 3 is 9. 9 by 3 is 3. 3 by 3 is 1. So we can write as 2 into 3 cube. Okay, this is the prime factorization for 54. And for LCM, we have to consider each and every prime factors. First, we are taking 2 here and greatest power of the prime factors. For 2, what is the greatest power? It is 2 raised to 4. Then next 3. For 3, the greatest power is 3 raised to 3, 3 cube. And the next prime factor is 7. And LCM of this number is 3024. Okay. Now we can find the HCF. HCF we can consider the smallest common prime factor. common prime factors coming here, it has 2 and 3, right? And smallest power of 2 is 2 and the smallest power for 3 is 3. So HCF is 6. Okay. Now we can verify the formula. What is the formula? HCF of AB into LCM of AB is equal to A into B. LCM and HCF, that is 6 into 3024. This is equal to 18,144. And A, okay, A into B, that means 336 into 54. This also we get as 18,144. So this is verified. Question number 3. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. Okay, here we are going to find the LCM and HCF of 3 numbers. First set is 12, 15 and 21. We will find the LCM first. LCM of 12, 15, 21. Okay. So 12 is 2 square into 3. If you have any doubt, you can use the ladder method. Okay, for smaller numbers, we don't need to apply the ladder method. We can write itself. But if any doubt is there, you can use this method. 15 is 5 into 3. 21 is 7 into 3. For LCM, we have to choose the greatest power of each prime factors. So the greatest power of 2 is here 2 square. For 3 the maximum power is 3 raised to 1 only. And the next prime factors it occurs 5 and 7. So this means 4 into 3 into 5 into 7 will get as 420. Okay. For HCF again, HCF of 12, 15, 21. Okay. So 12 again we can write 2 square into 3, 15 as 5 into 3, 21 as 7 into 3. And here we are considering the common factors only. What is common here? In 3 numbers, 3 only it repeats. And the smallest power for 3 is 3 raised to 1. That means the HCF is 3. Okay, so the LCM is 420 and HCF is 3. And here first we will find the LCM. LCM of 17, 23 and 29. Okay, 17 is a prime factor. So the factors are the number itself and 1. 23 also a prime factor. So the number itself and 1. 29 again the number itself and 1. So what is the LCM? 17 into 23 into 29. Into 1 we don't want to consider. So 17 into 23 into 29 is 11,339. This is the LCM. Now we will find the HCF of 17, 23, 29. Okay. So again 17 is 17 into 1, 23 is 23 into 1, 29 is 29 into 1. And there is no common factor in between these 3 numbers and HCF is 1. And note the point, if there is no common factor between the numbers, then LCM will be the product of that all numbers and HCF will be 1 only. And the next question 8, 9 and 25. First we will find the LCM of 8, 9, 25. 8 is 2 into 2 into 2, that means 2 cube. 9 is 3 into 3, 3 square. 25 is 5 into 5, 5 square. Okay, so the LCM, we want to consider each prime factor and the greatest powers. So 2 cube into 3 square into 5 square. Okay, this one after multiplication will get 1800. This is the LCM. And for HCF 8, 9, 25. 8 is 2 cube, 9 is 3 square, 25 is 5 square. There is no common factor in between these three numbers. So HCF is again 1. Not the point. Here also there is no common factor between these three numbers. Then LCM will be the product of that numbers, that is 1800 and here, and the HCF will be always 1. Fourth question is given that HCF of 306 and 657 is 9, then find LCM of 306 and 657. So here we can use the formula HCF of AB into LCM of AB is equal to A into B. HCF, it's given here, it's 9. Okay, and A into B we can find now. 306 into 657. Okay, so the LCM is A into B divided by HCF of AB from this formula. So A into B is 306 into 657 by HCF is 9. Okay, so we can reduce this number and we are getting 34 here. 34 into 657 after multiplication will get 22,338. Okay, so this is the answer. LCM is 22,338. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe the channel to get notification for new videos.